Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do a simple video about tenses in English language. First one is present tense. Present tense has four parts. They are simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Past tense. Past tense has four parts. They are simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. Last one is future tense. It also has four parts. They are simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. Thanks for watching. Let's meet with another interesting video.